Hello everyone, my name is Shamika, and I just wanted to get on here for a few minutes to share with you guys my personal testimony. Before I joined my personal financial success company, I wasn't where I wanted to be financially. I had some debt which I accumulated back in 2013 because I was off work sick with a fungal infection in my lungs. I was off work sick from January to May. Also, I was going through divorce at that time. Then in 2014, I accumulated even more debt because I was on maternity leave. My baby was due September 23rd, but on June the 30th, I went to the hospital and my doctor said, well, we got to put you on bed rest until your due date. So I didn't have the income coming in that I needed. So a lot of my bills didn't get paid. Bills like the credit card bills, cable bill, some of my medical bills didn't get paid, so I accumulated some debt then because things didn't get paid. I ain't had the money to pay them. How many know that sometimes we are praying for financial blessings, but when the financial blessing is presented to us, we ignore it? Well, that what almost happened to me. This young lady, me and her was in a previous company together. She inboxed me a video and I ignored the video. So one day I had a question to ask her and I called her and we were talking. She asked me did I watch the video. Well, I couldn't lie to her. No, I didn't watch the video. So I told her no, so she sent the video to me again. Well, I watched the video and I still didn't grasp what I needed to grasp from the video, so I was about to push it off again, and I talked to her again, and what I ended up doing was I joined MyEcon, which is a personal financial success business. I joined it anyway, and I said, well, I'm gonna join, and if I don't like it, I just get out. So I joined the company, and then it wasn't until they had an event, it was one Saturday, that I really grasped the concept, and the light bulb went off for me. It was one Saturday morning. This guy named Andre Stinson was there, and he asked me one question. The question was, how much money are they taking out of your paycheck for taxes? And I knew it was a lot, but I didn't know the exact amount or anything like that. So I pulled up my paycheck stub on my phone while I'm sitting there and pulled up my paycheck stub, and they were taking out like $700 some out of my paycheck. So he said, you know, that's over $17,000 a year that they're taking out of your paycheck, right? And I was like, oh my goodness, it is. He said, you want some of that money back? I was like, want some of that money back? Yeah, I want some of that money back. How am I gonna get that money back? And he showed me a strategy that MyEcon teaches, guys. And not only that, he showed me other strategies, and also he showed me like the many deductions that you can claim by owning a home-based business. So that's when the light bulb went off in my head. And when I left there, I started utilizing these strategies, guys. When I started utilizing the strategies, I got back $500 into my paycheck every 2 weeks. That is $1,000 a month. An extra $12,000 a year, guys. So what I started doing with this extra money was I started paying off debt. I started me an emergency fund, which I did not have before I joined MyEcon. Everybody needs to have an emergency fund. So I started my emergency fund, and then started paying off debt, and I was just so proud. I was so proud of myself. And another thing I did when it was time for me to file my taxes was I started using the teachings that it was teaching me in MyEcon about the many tax deductions. My 2015 tax return, I only got back like $1,000 some. Okay, my 2016 tax return, I got back 10 times that amount. Now, you do the math. 10 times 1,000. Yes. So, with that money, I was able to pay off one of my student loans. I paid off a loan that I got a couple years ago, which was an $8,000 loan, but with interest and all, it ended up being like $20-some thousand. I paid that loan off. I was able to pay off some other bills. I paid off the divorce lawyer that I had been paying for years. I was just sending, a little bit of money here, a little bit of money there. I was able to help out a friend that was in need. I was able to do some work around my home. I redid my floors. And I am just grateful. I am thankful. I thank God for MyEcon. It has truly been a blessing to me. And just think, an opportunity that I was about to pass up ended up being the biggest blessing there was to me. So I said that to say this. Sometimes we pray for a financial blessing, and when that blessing is presented to us, we ignore it. So, in order for you to change your situation, guys, you got to do something different. You can't keep doing the same thing over and over again and expect a different result. You cannot do it. So, I am just grateful that I did not pass up on this opportunity. And I just really thank God for MyEcon. It's teaching me a lot. It's helping me eliminate debt. And I'm just grateful. Now I'm looking into doing some investments to have my money make money for me. So that's my personal testimony. And I can tell you guys that I am very happy.